Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here, and today I want to talk to you about how to build your brand awareness on social media. Okay, so if this is your first time watching me here, my name is Yamina Hall. I am a digital brand designer and vlogger. All right, so let me go right into it really quickly. I want to share with you two tips on how you can build your brand awareness on social media. And tip number one, guys, is that if you're brand new to social media and you're trying to build your brand, guys, you need to be providing valuable content on a daily basis to your audience. Okay, so what I mean by value-based content, that means you need to be teaching them how to do something, maybe giving them some tips on how to do something on social media. Maybe you know how to generate leads, so you can give them tips on how they can generate leads on Facebook. Okay, maybe you know a lot about Instagram, so you can teach them about how to build their following on Instagram. Maybe you just know something as simple as shooting videos, and you can teach them on how to shoot an awesome, amazing video. Okay, so whatever your niche is, you need to be providing your audience with valuable content on a daily basis to grow your brand awareness. Okay, that's tip number one. So value, value, value. Share valuable content. Tip number two is that you need to be consistent when you are building your brand awareness on social media. So that means you need to be showing up when you say you're going to show up. Okay, so if you decide you're going to show up every day and provide valuable content to your audience, then you do that every day. If you decide that you just want to do it twice a week, then do it twice a week. Maybe you just want to do something once a week. Fine. But however you decide that you want to share your valuable content on social media, guys, to build your brand, you need to show up when you say you're going to show up. So, in a nutshell, you need to provide valuable content and you need to be consistent to build your brand awareness on social media, guys. So if you've gotten any value from this video, please be sure to like this video. Make sure that you do leave me a comment, and guys, also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.